Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, I'd like to say a big ol' fat welcome back to another wig review. This wig that I currently have on is by Bobbi in the style Isobelle. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see how I install the wig, style the wig. Then we're going to talk about the specs of the wig, pros, cons, and my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should pick this wig up. Let's go.
Much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make an old mistake, and I'm trying to keep my priorities straight. So don't blow this, baby, it should be simple. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it. Don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I'm trying to stay strong. I can't keep holding on. I've got to be good to me. Exposing my heart. I've done more than my part. Why can't you step up for me? Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it. Don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, she won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. 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 Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I put myself on the line, and I gave you a piece of my time, and you're making me feel so stupid. You never made it to a show, 'cause you're so busy. I know, baby. This window right here is closing. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it. Don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I try to play it all cool, never expected too much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make an old mistake, and I'm trying to keep my priorities straight. time, and you're making me feel so stupid. You never made it to a show, 'cause you're so busy. I know, baby. This window right here is closing. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I try to play it all cool, never expecting too much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make an old mistake, and I'm trying to keep my priorities straight. So don't blow this, baby. It should be simple. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I'm trying to stay strong. I can't keep holding on. I've got to be good to me. Exposing my heart. I've done more than my part. Why can't you step up for me? Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, she won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. 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 Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I put myself on the line, and I gave you a piece of my time, and you're making me feel so stupid. You never made it to a show, 'cause you're so busy. I know, baby. This window right here is closing. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I try to play it all cool, never expecting too much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make an old mistake, and I'm trying to keep my priorities straight. So
Isobelle is part of Bobbi Boss's Medi Fresh line, and the Medi Fresh line consists of a safe and clean cap, UV protection, antibacterial, and breathable cap under the wig. Okay, so more about Isobelle. It has ear-to-ear lace front, hand-tied lace part, natural baby hairs. It has a 4-inch deep lace part from front to back. Isobelle has premium high-heat fiber, which is safe for heat styling. I have Isobelle in the color TT1B 30613, and at the time of filming, I believe Isobelle retails for as low as $30. Isobelle does come in a bunch of other colors. Isobelle also comes with 3 combs, one on each side, one in the back, an adjustable elastic band. And yeah, that's it for the cap construction. So pros about this wig: it's a great transition from summer to fall. Well, the color that I picked is a great transition from summer to fall. It does frame the face. It is big head friendly. It is beginner friendly, but you do have to be careful and gentle with the lace, because I think I did rip mine up, so I had to, you know, go ahead and fix it for the review, so you can't even tell. So yes, these are the pros about the wig. The cons: flyaways. Always my con. Flyaways. Don't like them. Don't like them. And they're not as bad once you get them off your face. So I use this hairspray. You know, I styled the wig, curled it how I wanted to, and then I used the hairspray to get it off my face so it sits where I want it to, so it's not flying. The flyaways are not all over the place, if that makes sense. What do I dislike about the wig? That it is easy to rip your lace. Yes, so be careful, be very, very careful about that. So what would I rate Isobelle? I would say a 9.5, because the flyaways are not that bad on this unit. They're not that bad on this unit. So once I got the hair situated where I wanted to lay, and I went ahead and put the hairspray, it's not that bad. So I really do enjoy this wig. I love how it frames my face. I love how it was beginner friendly. I love this wig. So good job, Bobbi Boss. So that's it that I have for this review. So if this is something that resonates with you guys, or this is something you enjoy, don't forget to go ahead and smash that notification. Don't forget to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to leave a comment on your way out, and maybe a like while you're at it. Thank you, and see you in the next review. Bye guys.